Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on MultiversX. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a descending triangle, we had a nice short pump, but after that, the price line of MultiversX found another downtrend line resistance and dropped down inside a very long-term support zone. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line is still getting accumulated inside this support zone. That starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this support is working at a very, very strong and firm support since after the month of August 2023. We got stable touch points here, and we had a nice bounce. Then we had another short bounce here, another bounce here, and now recently we had a long spike beyond the support zone, but the pricing could not break it down. First, by the way, we broke out this descending triangle. This was the support, by the way. Here we had the support inside the support line, and this was the resistance of this descending triangle. And now the price line is also retesting this previous support of the triangle at the same time as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for Hives, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 7th of January 2025 in my members. And this is the complete trade setup, by the way, buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of MultiversX. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price of MultiversX is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And now the movement is quite squeezed between this resistance, downtrend and resistance, and this very long-term support zone that starts from $22.36 and goes to $20. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working at a very strong support zone for several weeks a month. And after that, we had a nice pump and broke out this wedge. Then we had a bounce here and bounce here, bounce here. Then we had a nice rally. And now we are again watching another price accumulation inside the support zone. But the critical thing over here is that we have formed a new low here, but could not break down so far. The price line did not break down the support zone, but in fact, we have formed a new low beyond this support zone, and the price line is now recovered back. In order to start a massive recovery from here, first we will need to break out this resistance, this downtrend and resistance. Then we may see another pump at least up to the next very, very strong and long-term resistance of $29. That was recently working at the resistance here and support here, resistance here, and support here as well. And after breaking out this resistance, an imminent move is possible to that next long-term resistance of $40. It had been recently breaking at the resistance here, and support here, and resistance here, and support here, and support here as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, you can see that the price informed a double top at this long-term resistance of $75. Therefore, we will need to break out this resistance. Once again, if the pricing breaks out this $40, then next resistance will be at $55. Then the pricing can hit this resistance of $75 once again. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.